Welcome to StoryBake Academy, where every recipe is a discovery.
And every ingredient teaches something new.
Mom, this dough looks different from our bread.
Yes, Whisker. Today we're making something special called pizza.
Where did pizza come from?
That story begins long before ovens like ours existed.
Are we going far back again?
Yes, thousands of years into the past.
That looks like bread.
It is. Pizza began as simple flatbread like this.
They added things on top.
Yes, people began making bread more flavorful.
Did pizza stay the same everywhere?
No, something important happened in Italy. Pizza became a favorite food for families there.
They added tomatoes.
That changed pizza forever.
And cheese too.
Yes, that made pizza soft and creamy.
The oven looks very hot.
Hot ovens make pizza crust crisp and golden.
That pizza looks beautiful.
It became known as pizza margherita.
Those colors look special.
They match the colors of Italy's flag.
Wow, really cool.
That's right, Whisker.
Did other countries start making pizza too?
Yes, soon the whole world loved it.
There are so many kinds now.
Every place added its own flavors.
Can we make our own pizza?
That sounds amazing. Let's make one.
It smells so fresh.
Sauce gives pizza its rich flavor.
I like this part best.
Cooking together makes food even better.
Can pizza be different every time?
Yes, that's part of its magic.
I can't wait to taste it.
Good things take a little patience.
We made pizza just like the people long ago.
Yes, Whisker. Every recipe carries a story we can share together.